Good morning, students. This is your EVS class. Today, we will discuss about the new chapter, that is chapter 7, the food we eat. In the previous chapter, we have already discussed about birds, their babies, claws, feathers, and all that. So please revise that chapter. Now, in this new chapter, this chapter is talking about the food we eat and the types of food. So this video is only introduction of this chapter. In this chapter we will learn about different kinds of food, nutrients and their sources, differences between healthy food and junk food, good food habits, and the importance of cleanliness and exercise for good health. Now you can see on the first page types of food. There are three types of food: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food. Now there is heading giving, energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. So there are different kinds of food in energy giving, bodybuilding, and the food which give protection to our body, that is protective food. Then there are raw and cooked food, healthy eating habits. What are the habits we should follow or we should possess while having food? And this ends your chapter. So there is nothing much in this chapter, only types of food and healthy eating habits. So children, we start with the human body is a wonderful machine, and just like any other machine, it also needs fuel to work. It needs care and maintenance. When the energy level drops, we feel hungry and we eat food. Food gives us energy, helps us to grow and keep us healthy. Yes, it is very nicely written. For example, children, listen to me very carefully. I will give you one suitable example. Like you have a motorcycle or you have a car. Now, how does a motorcycle or a car run? It needs petrol to run. If you don't fill the petrol in the car will not run, because car runs when the engine of the car runs. Now engine runs when there is petrol in the engine. So the source of energy for running a car is petrol. In the same way, the source of energy for our body, for the human body to work, to run, to think, to do any work like studying, sleeping, walking, run, uh, and doing any other thing, you need some energy, and that energy comes from the food you eat. So that there are several types of foods you eat daily, and these foods provide different kinds of energy. Like banana, apple, nuts, chocolate, pizza, papaya, spinach. You have banana. There is calcium and phosphorus in this. In apple you have lot amount of iron. In cashew nuts and nuts you have lots of proteins. In chocolate, you have lot of carbohydrates. In pizza, you have lot of fats and carbohydrates. In papaya, you have lot of vitamins. And in spinach, you have lot of iron and many other vitamins. So, you have heard that I have talked to you about several names like vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, minerals. So, what are these? These are the nutrients in the food. These are the nutrients found in the food. I will give you in writing about these nutrients later on after this video or in the next class. So there are how many types of nutrients? There are proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates, fats, and minerals. And what are minerals? Minerals are like iron, calcium, phosphorus, cobalt, potassium, magnesium. So these are all minerals. Now there is types of food: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. You can see all these are categorized below. Energy giving food. These food items provide us with energy. People who do a lot of physical work need lots of energy giving food. Example, potato, banana, sugarcane, etc. So potato is having lot of carbohydrates and starch. Sugarcane is also having lot of carbohydrates. Then wheat. Wheat is also having proteins and carbohydrates. Banana is also having lot of energy. Oil, and this is rice, a ball of rice. So these all food items give you lot of energy, and the items which give you lot of energy helps you do a lot of work. If you are doing any physical work like running, climbing, doing exercise, you need lot of energy to do that work. So you need this type of food which give lot of energy. Now next is bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food help us to grow and to repair the muscles. Example, eggs, meat, cottage, cheese, etc. So these are the foods which give you lot of energy by providing vitamins and minerals. Like proteins, mostly they give proteins. Like egg, there is lot of protein and carbohydrates present in egg. The yellow part, you have seen a boiled egg. In the boiled egg, you can see in the center there is a yellow part that is called yolk, and outer part is white color. That outer part, white color, is full of protein, and the yellow part is rich in carbohydrates. So we eat egg both for protein and carbohydrates. Same like grams. Grams are also rich in proteins. Then meat, flesh, it is also rich in proteins. Then cottage cheese, then pulses, then peas. These proteins help us to repair the body muscles and the wear and tear in our body. If you get hurt due to some reason while playing, if you get hurt, there is a loss of blood from your body. That recovery of blood or that recovery of energy is done by these bodybuilding foods. Okay, so and next topic is protective food. Protective food. Our body needs nutrients to fight against infections. They keep us healthy. Fresh fruits and vegetables protect us and help us to fight against diseases. Now, these protective food, why we eat them? We eat them just to get protection from any other diseases. Diseases like cold, cough and cold, okay, fever, malaria, dengue. So these type of diseases, or you can say common cold, you get these diseases if your body is weak, and if you eat these food your body will be strong and you will not catch these diseases. These food items contains spinach, broccoli, banana, and all type of fruits like watermelon, pineapple, apricot, grapes, kiwi. There are lot many fruits in this category. So children, you have to eat all kinds of food for your strong body and to maintain your immunity. And nowadays you can see there is a disease which is prevalent in this whole world, that is corona disease. Corona disease is also based on immunity. If any person is having less immunity, that person will be easily affected by that corona disease. So you have to be healthy. So you eat all types of fruits, vegetables, and several other items to get protected from such type of diseases. Children, we will do the next topic in the next class. Till then, you can find or Google the food items in this category. I will give you the food items or the types of nutrients in written in the next class. Thank you.